If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Alright, magandang gabi guys. Good evening to all. Magandang gabi to our natin watching us tonight and makigulo sa ating trading. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari sa market, sa forex market and even the crypto market together, no? Magandang gabi again. Let's check it out. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Yes, there we go. Nice, nag-aayos lang ako. Alright. Habang ganyan. Alright. Ba't nandito tong SPX 500 na ano na to? CS 500. Okay. Ito na talaga pala siya. SPX 500. All source. Okay. There you go. Alright, let's check the market. Tingnan natin. I-zoom in natin to. Okay. So, after the Fed news tapering, no? After the Fed news tapering, ayan, no? Check natin. Wait. Ayan. Ayusin ko lang tong aking screen na matindi lang. Nawala yung screen ko. Dapat sa baba ka. Ayan. Alright. Checking audio. Check audio. Clear ba tayo? Okay, clear tayo, guys. Alright. So, yan. Magandang gabi dyan. Kamusta ang Nasdaq natin? Kaya nga, Nasdaq natin, ayaw pa, nagre-resist pa eh. Pero check natin. Check natin. Manage nyo lang. Nakakuha ko kagabi, mga $300 na short. Nag-close ako ng isang cut loss. So, 100. Pero masakit sa drawdown. Pero later, check natin, guys. Alright. So, let me also yung the background music. Ina natin yan. Okay, so nasa ng market ngayon? The total sentiment, honestly, is trying to retest again the all-time high, which is the, ba't kasi pangit ito? Dapat 1,000 points to no? SP 500. Talaga no? Iba talaga Iba talaga siya Ito talaga uwanda no? Anyway, ano ba ako? Trading view ba to? Wait lang guys Ano natin yan? Honestly, yung crypto ngayon ang matindi. Yung crypto ngayon is talagang inaangat And by the way, congratulations for those who got, no? Ethereum last week. Last Wednesday, no? Monday. We talk about Ethereum from kung sino yung kukunin natin in general. I talk about Ethereum, yung talagang the best na bilhin at test by that time. No? And also, yung mga dapat natin kunin na iba, like example, XTC, binenta na natin yan. I-check natin yan later, no? And yeah, Imiota is also din, lumilipad din, no? So, tingnan na natin kung ano yung pwedeng makuha later. So, pakita natin, lagyan natin ng mga review kung where is it going, how is it gonna form, and ano yung mga possible natin na i-check. Ayan, alright. So, unahin mo natin total sentiment ng market, no? Kung titingnan natin ng market, is really trying to retest the 4-5 level. That's really how many tries already? This is the third time. Okay, third time of retest na to, no? Yan, it's actually showing weakness but still momentum. Weakness in what way? Volume is decreasing, then the price is increasing. That's one, no? And also the volume of selling is actually increasing in the past few days, pero yung follow-up ng bali, wala na masyado. On a lower time frame, we can check on the 4-hour chart. Okay, it's trying to form a high and low. Okay, titingnan natin kung babasagin ba niya to to form a correction. If not, magtutuloy-tuloy ang happenings ng mga equity market. No? So this is the crucial area na malalaman natin on the 4-hour chart kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito pataas o magtutuloy-tuloy pababa. So, dalawang bagay lang yan. Kung healthy trend to, pupunta yan dyan, i-break out. Kung downtrend to, pupunta dito, i-retest yan, then ibabagsak. So, ito yung dalawang scenario at na kailangan natin i-monitor. But as of the moment, it already made 3 times already retesting the 4-5 level, but it's not definitely sustaining pataas, no? Yun yung isa na dapat natin makita objectively, but yet on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, it's still bullish. Yan, on the total sentiment of the market. Let's check if we can see some divergence, and we did here, no? Pero dito 4-hour wala. So, normal lang siya. Okay, so that's the total market. So what we need to do, so mga ganyang sentiment na itsurang ganyan, ang ganyan ang opening ng market, talagang bentahan or taking profit ang labanan dyan on the opening. How about the Nasdaq? Or how about the Nasdaq in general? So Nasdaq in general is also the same. Second time to retest the all-time high on the 4-hour chart. It's trying to retest how many times already, no? Dami na rin, no? Still momentum, pero meron dito nabubuong tweezer top, no, na possible. No? And also, the 4-hour chart also is telling us that, okay, this is the healthy trend. So, same lang din ang concept. It needs to retest this area first on the next 4 hours. Crucial yung next 4 hours dyan. Kung ibabagsak ba niya dito, i-retest niya dyan, tapos ibabagsak niya ng todo. Yan. Katulad na nangyari dito. Itong area na yan, no? Kasi dito hindi siya natuloy-tuloy, binirake out ulit, no? And then, if magtutuloy-tuloy ito pataas, it will retest here. Then, it will form another high. So, two scenarios. Right now, it's on the resistance. One thing that we can do is take profit and then and optimize yung mga current na hawak natin na nasa momentum pa. Kaya sa hintayin natin na nagda-drawdown. Na drawdown tuloy. Na mauna tayo mag-take profit. Alright? So that's the sentiment of the market. So for tonight, medyo hindi tayo masyado mamimili aggressively. That's actually better. Okay? Yesterday pwede eh. Monday pwede kasi kaka-breakout lang niya. Kaya pwede ka mag-increase ng konti. Pero ngayon, it's really more into the third day. Kaya hintayin natin yung Thursday and Friday na sell-off. Kahit pa paano, di unahan na natin ng konti. Alright, let's check the crypto market before we go to the really stocks in general. So right now, it's trying to form a trend, no? Trying to form a trend on a healthier pace, no? Ulitin ko, it's trying to form a trend on a healthier pace. Why? So if you can see it, you can actually forming just a bit of slowdown of correction pero hindi ganoon kabilis, no? Trying to really, as much as siguro mga nakabili dito, it's trying to take profit there on this area of resistance. So, magkakaalaman to tomorrow kung magtutuloy-tuloy to o ibabagsak niya to here. Yan. So, if I'm gonna pwede ko i-test by ito. Oh, but if may magandang base ako, sabihin, pwede ko siya i-test by if may magandang base ako. So, example, I bought here or here, magdadagdag ako dyan. Kung gusto ko pa, no? Pero it's still uptrend, it's still bullish. Okay? Trying to really just form a tama dito, the build up kung itatawid niya. All right. So let's check natin ang other. Let's check. Okay, good news for those who bought Ethereum. All right, kung titingnan niyo si Ethereum last Monday, it was currently here, no? It was currently here. So ang nangyari compare kay Bitcoin, mas nauna siya nag-breakout. So it did try to form a healthy trend. After this fast pace, nag-slow down siya konti, trying to reaccumulate and then trying to break out this high. And it did, no? It did very breakout because of this consolidation, trying to break it down. Kung nakabili kayo noon, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, testing na 'yon. Ako bumili ako noon. Kala ko sumunod kayo, pero konti lang binili ko syempre, wala na akong pera noon. 823, no? No. Kailan ba last ko nabili? It was 831. There you go. So I did bought $230 here with 4% gain kasi laki ng kanin, no? So I bought around the breakout here. Bumili ako ng breakout dyan. So above all, the crypto kasi sa mga high market cap, ito yung nakita ko may potential, no? After the rally and everything. Pag breakout, kinuha ko na. Compared to the others, though the XRP really made yesterday a 11% highest, no, on the gain from the opening, but hindi ko siya when on the group chat says na oy, nagkaroon ng breakout trend line, but when I saw the trend, it did not eventually. So why? Because kasi may resistance dito eh, no? Although it's showing momentum and showing a what do you call this? Yang ang tawag dito na pattern na to, flag pattern there. Okay, may show ng momentum. So, kung magkaroon dito ng green candle tomorrow, yan, take note yan, ha? Kung magkaroon ng green candle tomorrow, this is an opportunity to buy. This is a bull flag pattern, no? This is a like nagtitrail talaga siya on the MA10 and 20. Once magkaroon niya ng breakout, then it's an opportunity us to buy. That's why yesterday hindi ako bumili ng XRP eh. Am I correct? Di ako bumili. Oh, tama, wala ako. The last XRP I bought was 827. Nagbumili ako last dyan, no? And another good news was sa crypto muna tayo para tayo mawala, no? Crypto muna tayo lahat. ADA or Cardano, no? ADA tayo. Yan. Before we go to the comment chat. For ADA or Cardano, wala pa tayong buy signal dito. For me, this is still high in general, okay? But yet, it's the same pattern like the Bitcoin. But this ADA is on a faster pace. So, medyo mabilis yung tinatahak niya na wala pang buy signal. Mabilis yung tinatahak niya na faster pace. But if you have a very deep foundation, bibiling ko na ngayon yan. Kung may deep foundation, may deep ka na base, pwede ka magdagdag. Kung wala, I would really suggest na wait for it still on this area here. Pababa yung mga 2.5 or mag-breakout siya. Mag-breakout tong area na to. Yan, mag-breakout yung area na yan. So, wala pa talagang bili. Pero if meron kang higher base o may nabili ka na prior to this price, ako iti-trail ko na kasi faster pace na siya and then nag-hold yung EMA 10 eh. So, sabayan mo na lang. So, ilang beses siya nag-support sa EMA 10? 2 beses, no? So, I would do the same. So, same dito. Nag-EMA 10 siya, tinodo 2 beses. So, possible yan tonight. So, tonight or tomorrow ang possible nito na isang matindi pa. And this is the resistance that I'm looking into. So, kung bibili ka ngayon, ito, yan. So, depende kasi sa magiging risk mo. Yan ang possible risk mo dyan. 7% to 17% on a TP1. TP1 lang to. Kasi momentum siya. Pero kung wala kang base, wag yung bibili niyan. Delikado. Very volatile. Mas maganda siya ngayon siya. Pero kung conservative ka, ako dito ko abangan. Dito ako magdadigdag dyan. Like dito ako. Kahit yung base ko dito, malaki-laki na eh. Kasi libre naman lahat na nabili ko dito. Look at this one, 1,400 with $4, naging $60. Kasi ginawa dito before, bawat tumilipad siya, pinipitas ko yung profit. Hanggang pinabayaan ko na siya. So, everything here, yung mga invested amount here was all free. So, I made 40,000 pesos all free. So, kahit bumagsak siya, bahala sa buhay niya, di ba? Alright, so before we continue, ano ba check natin ang BNB and XTZ and CEO tingnan natin. Before we go there, of course, let's say hi to our friends on Facebook and also on YouTube. Yeah, G-Boy, good evening. Noel, yeah, definitely. Yan nga. I-manage lang natin, wag pati emotions sa Nasdaq. IOTA Regional sumabog. That's it. Check natin si IOTA. Good evening din, Doc Ivan. Let's check Baba Marie, later Jeffy. Yes, XLM, pasabog pa lang. Let's check. Galing na Elite Report. Welcome to si September. Yeah, by the way, Elite Report next week. Definitely, we're gonna provide an early Elite Report next week because we're gonna relaunch the whole Elite program within the month. So, yeah. Good evening there, Sir Eddie Ed and Rain Yutok for ADA. I hope okay nakatulong yung ADA. Depends on your profile. You can test by right now, but I would suggest if may magandang base. If not, wala. Huwag muna. Okay, help me share this live to all your friends and also to other groups that you belong with. Baka meron tayong matulungan sa kanila when regards to that. So, welcome nyo naman ako because I'm back to 10,000 port again, $10,000. Welcome back. Grabe, if my equity value was really declining in the past how many months, paano ko ba ito makikita? So, the lowest, basta July, I was down so bad at 8.4. Sobrang from 11, no, not really 11,000. But I was up by 10,000 then pagdating ng July, I was down, nag-correct ng todo no? I was down like 8.4, pinakamababa. Sabi ko, ang bilis bumagsak, pero ang hirap pataasin. Ang bilis na bumagsak, ang hirap pataasin, di ba? Yun yung nakakainis, you know? So I'm back with 10,000. Laking tulong ni crypto, that's one. And the take profit that we had already together, yung mga na-TP natin. So far, I'm also back around 50%. If I'm gonna close this one, I'm gonna end up 63% so far with the current equity I have from the gain. Laki din. XTZ was doing good with me. The Alibaba trade, some of the trades that we had together on my equity. And then may mga natipi rin akong ADA na hindi ko nilagyan ng TP pero tinipi niya on its own. So nasama rin yun. And then yung binili ng ADA, tinanggal natin yung kapital with the current, may konting profit. So nakatulong din yun. So far, yan siya. So I'm back with 49%. So if I'm gonna close this one, ended ako 63. Pero at least I'm back with $10,000 account again. So at least di na ako i-yan ulit ni eToro from balik sa silver, no? Alright, so check natin si IOTA. Meron isa dito XLM. Tingnan natin kung pwede sumabog pa daw. Tingnan natin XLM. Yeah, pwede to XLM, guys. Oh, opportunity na to. Kung may extra kayo, do I have extra ba? Wala akong extra, negative 19. Tingnan natin kung the closing. IOTA, guys, definitely ang ganda, oh. Buy signal na ngayon. Ay nako, ako sa inyo bibili na ako nito. Though nasa midline resistance na siya, pero confirmation candle na to, pero ite-test buy ko na to. After the breakout there, pero kulang pa siya ng isang kandila, pero the indicator is showing me that this is a complete buy already. Tingnan natin ang volume. Mahina yung volume konti. Pero pwede na to test buy pag nag-breakout, add na lang. Yun, yan, 'di ba? Check nyo to. Ayan, ako to bibili na ako nito. Ayan. Ito yung support nito eh. Yan, dito. Ayan, ganda 'di ba? So pullback konti tapos ang ganda ng tsura. Ano ba to? Fast or slow? Tanggalin natin to. Lagyan natin ng fast. 1. Okay. Bili na talaga tong XLM. Lagyan natin to XLM buy within the week. Para natin yan. Ayan, masama natin. Okay. So, ayan guys. So, XLM. Ano pa isa? IOTA. Ayan. IOTA. There you go. IOTA din. Okay, IOTA rin pwedeng bilhin, no? May breakout na ng pinakita after that support. Pero hindi ko to siya aggressive bili. Kasi about to correct siya on the 4-hour chart. Pwede natin abangan dito or set order around 1.3. Ito mga buy areas ito, no? Kung gusto niyo humabulin to. Pero bullish siya on a daily, So micro na lang nito ng buy signals on that siya. So 1.07 pwedeng bilhin o i-test or abangan mo ulit sa around 1.03. Lagyan natin dito XLM na to, IOTA USD. Yan. All right. So, napakaganda pinapakita ng cryptoverse na nangyayari. Tingnan din dito, 1, 2, 3, yeah, definitely. Pwede guys, pwede. So, XLM is really something na pwede natin tingnan. Okay, congratulations also. Type number 1, kung bumili ka, when I say, okay, on the elite report bonus ko sa public, no? There, ACB. If you bought already, when I said here, you bought it here already, you're already 16% up. Okay, from the buy date na sinabi ko siya. From the current price, 16% up ka. I've been buying ACB. Since sinabi ko yun. So, like ako, 23% na ako ngayon. Isang buy, another buy I did August 24, 31, and then 31. Nakadalawang bili ako dyan. So, nag-iimbak ako ng ACB. Okay? With a target of until December. So, tingnan natin kung ano maging nito. Statistics ng ititingin natin and technical analysis dito. So, congratulations kung bumili ka dito. Pero ngayon, wag muna. Medyo mataas na siya eh. Tayo nyo lang ulit mag-pullback ng konti. Congrats. Let's check again. SPCE. Ang ganda na ipinakita ni SPCE guys on the closing yesterday. Okay? Closing with the breakout of this. Ano, no? Ang ganda na ipinakita, breakout. But nagkakaroon ng resistance sa MA20. But for me, medyo mahina na yun. Medyo mahina yung resistance na yan kasi may pinapakitang volume. So, kung SPCE, habol ka pa lang, for me, pwede pa to. Pero, ano ka na? Low risk trade ka na, no? Babaan mo na yung risk mo. 6%, gap up here, 14%. So, pwede. Pwede pa to on the opening. Check natin kung mag-sustain or mag-trade above MA20. If mag-trade above there, very good for SPCE. Okay, ano ba yung gusto natin i-check? Check natin si Alibaba. Alibaba also is doing good. Ito na yung nakita natin. This is the low. Alright, and nagpakita na si Alibaba ng potential indefinitely. So, after this, tama dyan, hammer candle, nagpakita ng almost double bottom, which is what we are actually waiting for. No? Nakapag-rebuy kayo dyan, congrats for Baba. Lower high. Yan, no? This is the lower high. No? Pakita na yung lower high dito. Yan. O, diba? So, yung mga nakabili ng Alibaba, since we're letting you, ang ganda ng Alibaba ko dyan. Tingnan natin yun ang nagbuhat ng isa kong port. Low risk account ko. Nag-heavenly invest ako dito. So, long term ako dito kay Baba. Pwede pa bang humabol kay Baba? Ingat na lang ng konti. Pero pwede pa to honestly. No? Nasa resistance lang eh. Pero ganda na pinakita niya, no? Pwede niya takin. Nasa gitna ka lang kung bibili ka dito. 8% ka dito. 1:1 ka na ngayon. No? Kung bibilin mo siya ngayon. No? Kung maglo-long term. But yet, what's good about Alibaba is still how many percent discount? 45% discount from its real value. So the temperature that is going to decline more is less likely than it's going up. No? For me, this is tapos na yung capitulation nito eh. Capitulation period ni Alibaba. That's why nag-heavily invest na rin ako sa Alibaba ko on my other port sa low risk ko na account. I was putting how much ba? Laki ng ligay ko kay Alibaba, no? $1,000. Pero long term. So, at least kahit pa paano naka-imbak ako sa malalim. Yan, okay lang yan. Long term. Position trade, tawag no. Okay. So, yan. Yan yung ano natin, Alibaba. Very good news for Alibaba yan. We just need the reversal signal which can kasi magpo-form pa to ng base eh. Hopefully, kung mag-sideways to, good. Kung hindi, tawirin niya tong area na to. Pero matagal pa to. Pero at least until December, on this, the real value niya, that's around 100%. 100% up from the real value niya. O, kasi the double limit discount, tataas yung share, mas magmamahal. Okay, let's check at AMC. Yun, no? Si AMC. Ayun. Honestly, kung bumili kayo dun sa retest na to, ang ganda na eh. Pero late na kasi ngayon eh. Alright? So, definitely parang, for the masterclass students ko, no, yung mga ano dyan, ito yan, no guys, oh. Kitang-kita na yan, no? Breakout retest, diba? Ayan, ito yung buy candle dyan eh. So, may cheat sheet akong binigay eh, like institutional way of doing things. I-break out, hindi naman yung tutuloy yan eh. Re-retest muna para sure, diba? So, yan, magiging itsura nito, ANC. Pero syempre, may resistance na malapit, very high risk na sa'yo. So, kung gusto mo i-trade to, kung mag-sideways yan, hintay mo na lang dito. Diba? Pero kung magtuloy-tuloy yan, medyo high risk ka na kasi malapit-lapit ka na doon. Or ito pala, pinaka-malapit na risk dyan. Yan. Very high risk na yan. Supposedly, ito yung yan. Miss trade na yan. Huwag nyo ipilit. So, okay? Check natin. Si Gold. Doon tayo sa GLD para diretso ETF. Okay, Gold. Gold is showing bullish. Very, very bullish ang ipinakita ni Gold. Ang ano nito ni Gold is, ano dito nangyari dyan? Yan. So, it may have very huge resistance here, but hindi nag-sustain ng EMA20 there. Trying to go bullish here. I'm gonna long for Gold if it's gonna break out there. Very bullish ay pinapakita ni Gold. And may reversal na yan eh. O, reversal na yan. No? So, breakout. Kung ibalik niya dito, di kumuha tayo dito. Yan. So, may reversal signal na yan si gold eh. So, yan. ACB. Tapos na tayo kay ACB. Kung ngayon pa lang kayo bibili, coming from my news here, better nandito na lang ulit. Or tingnan mo na lang muna. I-observe mo na lang muna ulit. Kasi possible yan, ganito mangyari dyan. Yan, dito yung best na ulit kuha. Pag bumalik sa dyan. So ngayon, medyo high risk na yan eh. Huwag nyo na itong bilan. Natgas. Oh yeah, I mentioned this regarding Natgas eh. Ano nga ang ticker niyo, Natgas? XL. I made a report regarding this one eh. Wait lang ah. Check natin si Natgas. Ano nangyari kay Natgas dito? Wala rin kasi akong pambili eh. So nakikisuyo na lang ako sa inyo. Nakikisuyo. Impart na lang ako sa inyo ng pwedeng mabili. Wait lang ha. Check natin yung Natgas guys. Check natin si Natgas Brothers. Boring naman ng kantang to. Yan. Dito tayo. Meron ba kayo alam na Spotify na free ano dyan, para mag-play natin dito? Natgas. Ito, I made a report there. It's 9:27, 3 minutes before the market opens. This one, no? XNG. Ayan. So, I made the report regarding this one on the elite group. So, yan, no? Natgas is very, very, according to analysts, is very, very useful nowadays because in the United States as well, it's actively using around the world, no? Especially for the forecast nila ng gas engines, no? Sobrang gamit. Try to read more into this, but based on technical analysis natin, XLNG, ano ang ticker nito? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. XNG. Yeah, nasa na siya ngayon? Spot USD. Diba? Ito. Yan. Okay. So, nasa resistance pa din. Hindi na hintayin natin yan dito, guys. Dito ko yung hintayin eh. Kung kukuha ko nito, dalawa. It's either balik siya dito. Okay, mag-breakout siya dyan. Or ito-trail niya, babalik niya dito sa 20. So, that's why I put there a risk reward here. Pag dito pumunta, laki ng reward mo to the risk. This is Fibonacci extension computation kasi. So, kung dito ko kukunin yan, kung mag-breakout, close tayo ng 5%. 1:2, pwede rin. Pag nag-breakout. Yan, mga buy niya areas ni Natgas. So, for now, wala tayong gagawin. Hindi muna tayo observe lang Tiger Natgas. Pero, really better to put really on the watch list. Kasi para hindi yan. Sayang kung papabayaan nyo yan. No? Alright. PFE. PFE, wag na to guys. Pababa na to eh. Masyadong ito, dito bili. 44. Kung sino bumili yan, 44. I-bounce trade. Yan, may signal na yan. Yan na yun. Pababa eh. So, huwag nyo abulin. Lagi yan, pag bumabagsak yan ng deep. Maghihintay ulit ng news. Corbus. Yan. Corbus. Market open. It's market open na pala guys, no? Tingnan natin ng market. Hoy, bumili ng BB pala. Congrats, no? Tingnan natin, trail natin si BB. Tingnan ko rin si SPC. Si Corbus. Corbus is, okay pa naman si Corbus. At honestly, maganda naman yung pinapakita ni Corbus. Trying to go uptrend na siya eh. So, if babalik yan dito, tatagusin yan, baka bumalik pala dito. So, for now, observe muna tayo. Wala tayong gagawin. Nasa resistance eh. So, really more into, take profit kung meron. Kung wala, better position trade. LMOG. Rigam Holdings. Resistance to. Huwag natin check na to. Wala tayong gagawin dito. Pangit yung position pa niya. Isang tingin lang. LMT downtrend. So, wala. Hindi natin ito tingnan. Malayo to. ING support. ING and OWK. All WK, okay pa naman si All WK. Okay pa naman. Ni-hold pa ako dyan. Meron ako OWK, meron isa yun. So, wala pa siya sa cut loss ko. IGN, Health Tech, Medical Supplies, may gap down, may gap up, divergence is there. Pwede naman, pwede. Pwede naman din to. Pwede rin to, tradable. Very low risk. Bibili kayo ngayon, pwede rin. 5%. Fill the gap. Ang ganda rin to, kung mataas yung PC nyo. Lagyan mo ng 7% na cut loss. Fill the gap nito, malayo-layo. Ayan, 29%. Yan ang risk reward, no? Yan, tintay mo. Hanggang di naka-cut loss, wag mo siya i-cut loss. Pero syempre, pag pumunta na yan sa gitna, take profit ka konti. Pero tama, nasa support. Pwede siya. GME. GME. Resistance. Very strong resistance. So, ano tayong gagawin dito? Kung tinignan mo siya ng ganyan, medyo delikado eh. No? So kung tradable siya, pwede. Pero tight cut loss ka lang kung bibilhan mo to. Pero resistance siya sa dito. Ayan, no? Kung mag-set order ka dito, pwede. Ayan. Pero yan. Ano mo lang. ETC, YNDX, GME, ETC. Ano ba to ETC? Ito? Earth Tech Public Company. Downtrend. Downtrend pa. Retest pa siya. So wala. Observe pa to. Hindi pinipilit eh. YNDX. Momentum. First gate. Set order ng taas. Itong ETC na ano. Ito, momentum, first gate. So, pwede. Pag itinagos, nag-breakout set order ulit dito. Cut loss here. 3%. Kung ano siya. ETC na ano, USD. Okay, crypto. Alright, here. Ethereum Classic. Pwede rin i-test buy. Pwede i-test buy to. For ETC. Within the day. Medyo, pwede test buy to kung may magandang base. Pero kung ako yan, may ano siya, i-ano na lang. Iangat na lang dyan. Yan. No? Once mag-breakout dito. Alright. The run. Check natin si MA, Mastercard. All-time low. Meron ditong magandang ipinakita. Chidori yata to Check natin to. Check natin. Uy, hindi tayo nakapag-sectoral analysis. Sige, okay lang. Chidori. Parang pwede itong bilhin, guys. Pero ang taas lang ng volume, bounce trade lang yan kung pwede dito. Tingnan natin. Yan. Okay. MA. Chidori nga. Yan. Buy signal. Chidori setup nga. Pwede to. Pwede, Chidori. Buy lang. Benta rito, daran. Yan. Cut loss ka mga 2%. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Chidori setup, no? 1:2 talaga dahil bounce trade lang, 2% lang risk mo, lagyan mo ng allowance, malaki pa ng risk mo dito. Kahit dito mo nga FTP yan, pwede 5%. Hindi ko na Chidori setup. May mga divergence pa, May pinapakita. Yan. Pwede to. Pwede. Chidori, MA. Yan. Crypto, ETC. Tal, umaangat na. Tama tayo. Hindi. Syempre, definitely, yan ang nagagawa ng ano. Yan ang nagagawa ng masterclass, di ba? Turuan kayo ng price action. Ito, hindi pa to totally, pero meron na siyang ano, meron na siyang tamo dito, meron na siyang meron na siyang improvement, no? So, paano ba to explain? Ang hirap na ma-explain ito. Okay. So, it formed a box there, then it did try to hold also the box. Now, it's showing momentum on a 4-hour setting. Okay, it's still trying to consolidate, but good thing on a 4-hour chart, medyo nagpapakita na siya ng bullish sentiment on a 4-hour chart. So, anong crucial dito? Okay, nagko-consolidate siya dito, magkakaalaman niya pag tumama dito. Kasi ito gagalaw pa yan eh. Kung magsa-sideways yan, gagalaw to. Yan, magkakaalaman yan pag sumabay na to, pag nag-abot tong dalawa. So, for now, test buy ba to? Pwede. Pwede siya test buy. Pero late ka na ng konti. Dapat kahapon or nung Monday. Bibiling ko yun eh. Kung yung Monday, third retest na yan eh. Bibiling ko yan kung meron ako. Yan, for TAL education. Matic. Later, check natin yung Matic. Apple. Tumataas si Apple. Yeah, kahit tumataas, kahit tumataas yan, pwede, syempre tataas pag hindi mo mababa, tataas. Di ba? O, ayan. Krispy Kreme, Krispy Kreme. Uy, galing naman ito. Kaka-IPO lang pala nito, bago lang. First day, second day. Uy, ganda rin ang picture nito, guys, ha. First day breakout low. Rule number 1. Ganda. Diba? O, ayan. Ganda rin ito. Fork. Pwede ito i-test buy. Pwede i-test buy ito for me. Nasa low eh. Pwede i-test buy ha. Pwede i-test buy. This one, that one. Pwede ito i-test buy. But hindi masyado malaki ha. Pangit ito sentiment eh. Malapit-lapit na yan. May crossover dito nangyari and everything. 50 bullish na siya. Pang panigurado mo lang dito, if magkaroon ng breakout here, very bullish sentiment na to. Ayan. If magkaroon ng breakout there or kahit man lang dito, pwede na yan. No? Pero ngayon, pwede ko iti-test buy ko yan eh, kung may pera ako. Tilray. Tilray, di ko alam eh. Ano nangyari dito eh. Pero, on a technical perspective, okay, medyo, tingnan mo yung bigger picture eh. Re-accumulate ng todo eh. So, for now, observe pa ako dito. Hindi ko pa ito ma-recommend bilhin. Okay, kasi medyo sideways pa siya eh. So, hindi ko pa siya ma-recommend kung ibibilhin. Pero on the short-term perspective, buy signal niya today. Short-term perspective, like example, you're gonna buy it right now and you're gonna sell it here and then cut loss here. Yan. Short-term. No? Okay. Tilray, Amazon. Later, check natin si Amazon. 6 Rasengan lower box. Ano yung 6 Rasengan lower box? 6 yung pangalan? Hong Kong. Rase, lower box. Pwede naman. Pwede, may resistance lang. Mas gusto ko kasi trading above Kage o trading above mga MAs eh. Para sure. Or reversal para sure. Pero yung mga coiling nito kasi baka mag-resist dito eh. Ayan. Pero kung kukunin mo yan because of the uptrend sentiment, pwede rin. Tradable. Dash. Tapos na tayo kay Pfizer, Sir Albert. Dash, si Pfizer, wag nyo kunin kasi paano yan si Pfizer. Pababa pa. DoorDash is a buy signal to sa akin. Pwede to i-test buy ngayon. Yun nga lang. Okay. Near resistance na siya pero may sell signal kahapon na malaki, no? Pero pwede pa rin no? Tradable pa rin to sa akin Buy signal pa to sa akin. Ang rason ko dito is nasa lower pa siya ng channel, no? And staying above this resistance here. Yun nga lang, may malakas na nasa current resistance lang. So, test buy yung pwede kong i-recommend dito. Okay, Timus. Diran. Uy, sorry. Yan. T-Mobile. Pababa. Pababa to. Medyo downtrend. Ayan, no? Downtrend. Kitang-kita, downtrend. Jimea, forming a base. Forming a base pa to Forming a base. Patingin natin sa 4 hour. Yeah, medyo alangan pa to. Short term, if mag-breakout dito next 4 hours, pwede natin bilhin. On the long term perspective, mas likelihood na babalik to dito. For Jimea. Short term, pwede siyang bilhin kung mag-breakout siya. Siguro another, pag umabot na ng mga 7 or 8%, pwede siya i-test buy. Pero mas likelihood ako babalik siya sa bottom. Wala pang base. Zoom, Chidori. Wow, galing. Kung nakahawa ka nito kahapon, congrats. Tingnan natin kung mag-Chidori si Zoom. Zoom. Hindi to Chidori, bro. Pwede. Okay, pwede. No? Support kahapon Pero ito yung major support Pero kung bibili, pwede, honestly, may breakout today breakout today, Pwede si Zoom, ngayon, Akong pera, Pero pwede ko i-trade yan, no? Yan, pwede ko i-trade, Pero pwede talaga, Tingnan natin dito, guys, Lagyan natin ng... Palit ako ito, isang settings ko dito, ng 2. Kaya palit natin ng 2. Yan. Divergence. 1, 2, 3. Kulang pa konti. Pero pwede na ito i-test buy, Pwede na i-test buy. May pina-formulate akong bago kasi. Kulang pa konti ng puwersa. Pero kahapon sana yung kuha. Talagang Yeah, kulang pa konti. Pero pwede na i-test buy for Zoom. Chidori setup. Pwede na to. Grabe, no? Bumagsak ng todo. Abangan natin to. Tingnan ko to. Excited ako dito. Ayan. Malayo tingnan natin yan. Buti nakikita niyo yan, no? Wait, by the way, congratulations sa bumili ng Blueberry. Blackberry, no? Ayan, sinasabi ko sa inyo, tinitrail na niya yung ito, tinitrail na niya, ayan, sinabi ko sa breakout today. Yung mga type number 1, kung isa ka sa mga kumuha, kasabay ko. Diba? Yan, 17% na ako nung Monday natin kinuha to. Naaralan nyo to? Diba? Nasa watchlist natin. May nagating, sabi ko, may reversal. Tapos tinitrail na niya yung momentum. So, i-hold ko na to. Yan, tinatawag dito, guys, na chart pattern mirroring. So, mirroring pattern. Ibig sabihin ng mirroring pattern, ginawa niya na in the past, no? Katulad nito, guys. Sa tingnan, nag-consolidate siya sa ilalim hanggang itinagos niya. Yun. Nag-consolidate siya dito sa ilalim. After the pass, then consolidate niya ulit dun. So, nagmi-mirroring siya each time na maglaro siya sa moving average 200. Ilang beses siya ginagawa So, ini-spike niya ba? Ayan. So, 3 beses niya. Pangatlo niyang times na to. So, tinitrail na niya. So, I'm gonna hold on to this. So, yung mga kumuha nito, type number 1. Ayan, di ba? So, nung Monday. Trail ko na yan. Si Alibaba. Lakas si Alibaba, guys. Mga sayang Alibaba ko. Binenta ko dun kasi. Bumuha ko dito mga $500 Tapos tinanggal ko. Tinanggal ko ba? Tingnan ko nga yung binalik ko. Ayun, konti lang. Ito yung Alibaba ko na trade. Konti lang. Dapat hinode ko. Akala ko kasi magbabottom pa talaga siya Lakas si Alibaba, Kuha ulit ako dyan. Meron pa ako isa dito kasi. Meron pa akong Alibaba sa kabilang port Mga $1,000. Okay, so Zoom yan. Check yan. So Zoom, pwede i-Chidori trade, bounce trade, pwede yan. API, yung BB pwede tong BB. API, green candle bukas or green candle at the closing. Hindi, para imposible mag-green candle on the closing to. If mag-close siya above, abangan mo to, if mag-close siya above 33, pwede itong i-test buy. Pero for now, observe muna. Or mag-green bukas. Pwede natin yang bukas natin isama. Si Dash, tapos na tayo. Pfizer, we're done with that. Okay, let's check yung mga current trades natin tonight. IWK, okay pa. ILMN, isa rin sa tinitrail natin tong ILMN. ILMN ito. Sorry. Okay, so crucial ni ILMN tonight. If ILMN close red tonight, I'm gonna cut loss to this one. If mag-close siya ng red, so bukas, kung mag-close to ng red or close below here, i-close ko na to ng opening bukas si ILMN. Pero, pag nag-green to bukas, buy signal to. O yan. So, make or break si ILMN. So, dapat matrail na natin yan bukas for ILMN. Okay, check natin. Diba? Kapon ako nakakuha niyan, kasakto ng Fibonacci. So, by the way guys, no? Speaking of which, sila Rigel, yan sila Reginald, sila, sino ba yung mga siya? Sino ba dito yung mga masterclass natin? Si Koy, si yan, are part of my technical analysis na masterclass. Any market, like example, sabi, like nyo on the chat box, no? Si Rigel, kumuha siya kahapon. Kung ikaw mag-iisip, what? Kumuha ka kahapon, ikababagsak lang niya ng 15% ng opening. Kukuha ka. Di ba? Para mo sinasalo yung kutsilyo, di ba? Tapos kukuha ka, sabi ni Rigel, di ba? Crazy ba yung ginagawa mo, Rigel Rendon? Di ba? O, mag-away kayo ng Kiko Matos. Di ba? Joke lang. Pero the reason why kumuha si Rigel dan because of a setup, no? Because of a parameter. No, we call it Chidori setup. So kung hindi pasok sa parameter namin, hindi namin kukuha yan. Imagine mo, that's craziness, no? Kukuha ka from the closing with a green candle, nag-opening, then binagsak, kumuha si Rigel on a bounce trade, no? So, ano naging decision ni Rigel? So, dyan papasok yung parameters, no? Ng mga setup ni WIPH, no? Hindi siya, okay, kukuha ko kasi ano na siya, RSI 30 down. Kuha ko dyan. Hindi, it can stay there. Pero may mga parameters na binibigay si market na pwede mo kunin despite that crash. Like example, si MA, no? MA then is also a setup like that, no? Extreme selling, then shadowing, candle pattern, then benta dito lang, no? Pinakamalapit dito. So, na-Shidori setup. So, pwede siyang bilhin eh. No? Kahit pababa siya. Basta pasok sa parameter. Kung titingnan mo din yan, no? Ang laki ng volume sa selling, tapos kukuha ka. Kung hindi siya pasok sa parameter, hindi namin kukunin. So that's one. Despite the bear market, tradable o hindi, despite na matataas na, like example, ano yung isa kanina? Nasa tuktok. Mayroon isa kanina eh. Si AC, sa ETC ba yun? ETC ba yun nasa taas? No, not si ETC. RBP, LMT, OG, INGN, YNDX na YNDX ata. Ayan, no, di ba? Oh. Ayan, sabi ko bilhin kanina. Oh, di green na siya ngayon, di ba? So kahit nasa tuktok, tinitrade namin. So imagine yan, momentum. So paano mo ginagawa 'yon? So because what we're doing as a community for the masterclass is understanding the price structure. So, what is the price structure? Ano ba yung pattern nitong buong to? At one glance, ano nakikita ko? Ano bang trend ang pinapakita? 90 degrees, 75 degrees. Anong klaseng trend? Anong klaseng setup ang pwede kong ipasok sa kanya? So, example, katulad ito, 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. How can I trade a 90 degrees? Okay. I'm gonna use 8 gates. Okay, so I'm gonna get on this one. I'm gonna cut loss at this one. Then I let it trail. Saan ko siya trail? Using this one, di ba? So, something mga ganon, no, na very, very particular kami when it comes to different setups. And different market gives us down, up, going sideways, flat, and even before pa siya pumutok. Like example, itong Ethereum, di ba? Before pa siya pumutok, kinuha ko na siya. For what reason? Di ba? For what reason, no? Before pa siya nag-breakout, bumili na ako dito. Bakit? Diba? Kasi meron kaming mga binibilang na pattern, candlestick, price action, buying signal, parameter setups. Yung mga yan yung nakikita namin na hindi mo rin makikita sa YouTube. Okay? Hindi tuturo sa YouTube yan. Alright? So, yan yung, that's why guys, I really invite everyone to join the masterclass. It's not because we want just to really but because we want to give time on focus to teach you that, no? It's gonna be like for the next 2 months na pwede kayo. You can just ask us for that, and it's gonna be a community. So anything setup or anything updates on the techniques, forever ka nang updated, no? Forever ka nang tuturuan with the community. Yan. O yan. Diba? O yan, no? Diba? So, guys, super effective ng strategy sa masterclass. 38% port ko this August. Imagine, si Rigel is just a graduate last month. And pag graduate niya, ghost month pa. No, 38% siya this August lang. Diba? So, galing pa siya sa akin. Okay. Diba? So, depende kasi yun kung paano. Pero ang point there ay itinuro. Yan. Okay. Let's go back. It's 9:53. This one, we can see there. Honestly, pwede rin tong buy point din to on the next candle, si VXRT. Okay, building up din no momentum si VXRT. Alam mo, sa totoo lang guys, kinakabahan ako, na excited ako for VXRT. Kasi, it's gonna be a matter of time na gawin ulit niya to Inuhuli ko pero hindi ko pa siya, binebenta ko lang kasi minsan din, pag bumagsak si VXRT, ganyan din siya mag-react ko, mga 25% and everything. Pero inuhuli ko. Pero kasi kung hihintayin mo yung ganyan, medyo mauhuli ka na Kaya inuhuli ko siya pag nakakita ko ng buy signal sa kanya. Katulad nito. Katulad niya, no? Hindi ko na bibilin to. Hindi ko na bibilin tong kandilang to. Sobrang risky na yan for me. Before pa siya umangat, dapat mabili ko na siya. So, yan yung ginagawa ko. So, malapit-lapit na si VXRT to do the same. Okay, to this structural pattern. For now, hindi pa, pero malapit na. So, building na siya to go there. Building na siya to go there. So far, di pa. Pero likelihood for VXRT, in and out kasi ako dito Yan. Most likely, it's either pag nag-breakout to, or babalikan ko dito. Ang area na yan. Pag pumunta siya dyan, definitely kukuha ko. Pero right now, di muna. Tingnan ko muna. Observe pa ako konti for VXRT. Yan. Pero malapit-lapit na yan, LLY, short. LLY, Lily. Yes, pwede to short, definitely. Mark Paswal, definitely. Yan, kitang-kita naman, no? After a breakdown, retest, then dyan. We can expect it to go here. So, pwede to confirmation today. So, thank you for this, no? Mark. So, there. Yan, breakdown. So, short, yes, definitely. To be safe, optimize mo lang dito. Optimize mo lang dyan, no? Yan. Thank you for this, no? Wala akong pera Wala talaga akong pera Kayo lang siguro makakabili AWK, green, green na yung ILM na natin. Uy, yung LNT. Tingnan natin to LNT, guys. LNT. LNT is, check natin to LNT, LNT is build up din as well. Almost there. If you can see a pattern here, this one, yan, no? If we see a breakout here, pwede. Or it pwede test by to today if magkaroon ng close above here. Kung magkaroon close above there, pwede. Pasok tayo dyan, definitely. BE. BE. Observe pa tayo konti dito for BE. Di pa siya, though it made a lot of base already, near resistance kasi tayo. So, di tayo masyado dito. It's either we will trade this if it will go here and then balik dito, or go dyan, then balik dito before it push up pa, no? For that. TMT, Abev, there go. Abev, definitely a buy today. Kage, oh. Kage setup, Joel. Reversal, this is your reversal, retest, then Kage setup. Definitely, go. Parameters all check. Abev, lagyan natin Kage dito. Si Kage. Yan. Also, Kage stocks. Yan. Wala akong pera eh. Buti pa kayo. Pero check ko sa akin ha. Baka tingin ko. Ano ba to? Consumer non-deliverables, alcoholic, discretionary. Pwede. Sakto. Check natin ang ang sectoral. Nasaan ngayon ang sectoral, no? Check natin yung sectoral Next. Despite the red market correction, check natin ang latest na June. XLY is going up. O, sakto. Pwede. Kaso pa resistance si XLY eh. Pa-resistance din lahat eh. No? Going down lahat dito. Safest that we can actually buy. Reset nga natin to. For tonight, XLY. Honestly, pwede i-trail si Aveb. Pwede, no? XLY na. Pwede honestly test buy. O kaka-breakout lang. And then utilities talaga eh, no? Dahil August, September eh, no? Nagpakita si utilities talaga na saan dito. Tanggalin ko na yung taas XLV. Try niya to. Ano pang B? Hindi na to, wag na to. XLF, wag na yan. PPE. Yan. Focus tayo sa mga to. Kita nyo si XLY and si utilities. So talagang defensive stocks yung gustong kunin ng mga investors. Nagbe-build up for September or October first week hanggang October first week. So observe si discretionary, pero kung titingnan mo sa discretionary in general, may continuation pattern eh. Continuation pattern tapos going momentum. And also staples is going reversal din as well. So, napakagandang ipinapakita ng market. So, talaga especially yung mga opening ng mga stocks like casino, movie house, yan ang mga possible na mababa pa yung valuation na pwede nyo i-position trade. Kakaano ng channel for mga staples and discretionary, no? Above alcoholic Aveb, alcoholic drinks consumer eh. So, nasa discretionary to. Double check mo lang. Double check. Pero definitely, buy ito. I can see kahit natin ilagay natin tong slow stock dito. Ayan, may confirmation. Si Abev. Pwede. Confirmation candle. Go sa go. TSM, buy. Check natin to, TSM. I don't think so. Nasa resistance eh. Di siya buy tonight. Strong resistance. Very, very strong resistance. Definitely no, not a buy for me. No, for me. This is me. So, very strong resistance and kung titingnan mo, it's not trending. It's going sideways. So, if you're using a moving average crossover, better think twice, no? If you're rooting for a buy signal because of a moving average crossover. Of course, hindi ko gagamitin yan. Definitely. But if kung titingnan mo tong reversal na to, pwede rin, pero very strong resistance. So, ang buy signal na to, possible if there's a confirmation breakout here and a possible retest afterward. So, paano yun mangyayari? Ganito, then ganyan, then saka tayo bumili. So, at least makakakita tayo ng trend line, no? Ng channel. So, for now, wala pa. Diba? Ayan. Doon tayo bibili before the channel. For TSM. So, for now, di siya buy signal. Roblox. RBLX. RBLX definitely is RBLX sideways and everything. Dito, buy signal, pwedeng test buy si Roblox. Gusto ko fast eh. Ang kulit na. Ayan. Pwedeng buy signal si Bering, tama dito. Pwedeng test buy si Roblox today. Okay, on a price action pattern. Yan. So here's your base. There's your base there. Then confirmation after the candle. Add after mag-breakout dito. Ayan. So pwede sa Roblox on a test buy. Possible resistance also here. Risk reward here would give you a, if you're gonna cut loss rapidly here, yan siya. Kung dito ka TP mo, ayan, this one. 7%, pwede na siguro to. For a 7% here, gusto mo lagyan mo ng leeway, 6%, 7%, just to be ano. Then TP mo on the resistance, TP1 mo. Gandang risk reward, 6, 12, 18. So 1:2 point something pa, no? For Roblox. Pero going sideways siya, most likely baka dito muna to. 1:1 ka muna. TP1, then TP2. Pero good thing, bumubo siya ng malayo-layong sideways. Baka ito yung DNA niya mala AMD. Okay, mala AMD. Like example si AMD. Pattern ni AMD. Okay. Sideways, angat, sideways, angat, sideways. So parang ganun. So possible ganun gawin ni Roblox. No? Tingnan natin. Alright. So ngayon, consumer discretionary stables is really showing opportunity for the technology momentum Momentum sa technology, pero mas nakakatakot kasi bagsakan ka ni technology. Kaya medyo sakto lang. AMC, hindi ko recommended si AMC. Late na for AMC. Tapos na tayo dito, Juan. For AMC. Near resistance na to. You're too late already. Wait for it to go back here, 40 level. Or trail. So iti-trail natin siya. Tingnan natin on Friday ulit. Yan, tingnan natin yan. Okay, so let's check ano yung mga nabili natin today. It was Zoom. Okay, yung mga nag-test pa sa Zoom kanina green na siya. Pero kung ako titingnan ko sa parameters ko, sa bago na Chidori, kulangan pa ako ng konti for this one, for Zoom. Pero yung mga nakabili kahapon on this red candle, pwede na siya itinipi kanina eh. No? Or bawas na konti. That's already 3% or maximum 4% ng breakout. Kung gusto naman tong barata pa si Zoom, rest ka ng mga 5%, di ba? Tapos ito yung TP mo, 11%. 1:2.2. Ganda rin na risk reward ratio. Di ba? Yun nga lang, sentiment mo pababa. Sell off. Pero bullish pa siya eh. On a larger perspective. Yan. Uy, galing TP ka W ah. Ganda oh. Lakas oh. Nagkagi pala to kaninang umaga eh. Sa kahapon. Sayang no? Oh, nagkagi kaninang umaga. Ganda oh. Nasa watchlist eh oh. Nag-lower low eh oh. Yan oh. Ganda oh. Could have no? Sayang. Kung nakakuha sana tayo nito. Binenta ko na. Pero lakas ang bullish momentum. Late na ngayon eh. Baka na lang natin. Check natin yung mga kagi stocks na naiwan natin for trend following purposes. Ito late na. Tapos na tayo dito. Airbnb guys. Nagtitrail na to. Kuha na kayo ngayon. Yung mga wala pang Airbnb, kuha ako. If I were you, kuha na ako. Staples to guys. Reopening, consumer. Diba? Pwede to. Pwede Airbnb. Nag-trail niya eh, no? Tapos almost reversal na eh, no? Nag-reversal na talaga eh. Double bottom there, then diretso. AAP nawala sa kagi. Ralph Lauren as well, pwede rin tong i-test buy tonight. May buy signal pa, may price action setting pa. Pwede test buy to. May mga pera. Oh, yung mga bumili na ng PBH, yung sinabi ko dito, binili nyo dito, guys. Oh, sa dito, tumalon today. Oh, 'di ba? Nasa watchlist natin. 14% on the opening natin sa akin. Sarap po. Nagkagi na to plus buy signal pa. Congrats. May mga PBH diyan. HBI as well nasa watchlist natin. No buy signal yet, pero test buy pwede na. Okay, pero pwede na i-test buy to. CNA, wait for pullback. ROST, Ralph Regions Financial, PDD. Uy, si PDD, lakas naman ng trend nito, Brad. Price action, ganda ng angat to. Tinodo na eh. May catalyst kasi to eh, recently eh. Tayo to pullback nito si PDD, guys. Si Key, makakatlos ko si Key pala to. Hindi nag-breakout doon, hindi na-sustain. Pen. Si Pen, test buy din to. Or wait for, pwede na yung test buy si Pen yun. Dami pa natin buy kayo, no? Kahit nasa tuktok yung market. Let's go to the chat box. AMC, tapos na tayo kay AMC. Kay Macy, Macy Chidori ba? Tingnan natin. Anong Chidori? Hindi naman to Chidori. 8 gates. Hindi na pasok. Medyo, pero pwede pa. Price action lang, momentum, pwede. Pwede pa to si Macy on price action, pero hindi na pasok sa ano. Hindi na to pasok sa 8 gates. Hindi na siya pwede. Yeah. Ano siya? Teka lang. Hindi na siya pasok. Pero may pwede pa to siya on a confirmation candle. Example, magkaroon ng opening ng green bukas, pasok ka. No? UHM. Breakdown eh. Downtrend to, shorting. Shorting to, guys. May hampa ako, no? Nawala. Hindi na nag-hold ng base, no? Confirmation eh. Pangit ni Ham. Most likely to magte-trail pababa. Kung magkaroon pa to ng red candle bukas, magsasubside pa to hanggang dito. Green candle, pwede i-test buy. Third retest here. Nasa buying range pa eh. Green candle, pwede. Red candle, kung meron kang buy here, i-out mo na bukas. Moderna. mRNA. Moderna, malayo pa. Downtrend. Downtrend's Moderna. Confirm today. Tapos na tayo kay Mastercard. Mas Mari. TRN. TRN Industry. Ito ba yun? Trail EMA. Double top. Delikado to. Green candle, pwede i-test bukas. Pero mataas masyado yung risk reward mo. Tapos talagang grabe yung rejection sa taas. So, most likely, dito yan possibly balik. Mas malaking chance na ibalik na dyan. Check natin. Baka may ma-ITP ako. Check ako dito. Ayun, yung AWK nag-green, diba? Sabi sa'yo, buhay pa eh. O, yung mga binili natin yung Monday, starting to go green na. Ano ba yung mga binili natin Monday? ACB, eto lahat. ACB, BB, BABA, AWK, ILM, and LMT. All are going green already. Congrats. So, nag-green na lahat. So, i-trail na lang natin. Lagyan na natin ng exit yan pag nagkataon. Okay, boring ng music ko, no? Ayan. Alright, so what's up with September? Let's go back and review. Anong meron sa September, guys, no? Let me show you some tingnan natin dito ngayon, no? Ano expect natin September? Review natin para alam natin ngayon ang sentiment. Mag 1 year na pala Elite Club, no? November, October, Elite Club, no? Election yung pinaka-last natin na monthly stocks eh. Kailan date nito nag-start? Kailan tong Elite natin nag-start? Kailan pa itong pinaka-first natin? Kailan ba yung election? October, no? Oh, mag 1 year na pala itong Elite Reports. Dami ko ng slides dito. Hindi ko na natanggal eh. Ayan. Okay, so let's check out the technology stock in the past 20 years. Statistics over the past 20 years. Unahin natin ng Nasdaq kasi the reason why we're checking the technology sector because if you go back to sectoral analysis, if you want to beat the market consistently every year, kaya tingnan mo yung mga popular investor, no? Lahat sila nasa technology. Why? Because in the past 10 years, it's definitely beating SPX 500 year by year. Technology stocks is really the way, no? Kaya getting them on the right price is very, very crucial. Sabi nga nila, there's a saying, no? There's a saying, it's a bad investment. Okay, bad investment if you buy a company that is expensive. No? Kahit na long term ka, it's a very bad investment. So, bad investment if you buy a good company. Hindi kompleto. That is expensive in price. Yan. Kahit gaano kaganda ang company or ano dyan, if you buy them at an expensive price, that's a bad investment. So, kaya it's really not a bad time na talagang bibili kayo mga nasa tuktok na. It's really more into take profit na ngayon eh. So, if you want to beat the market, yeah, the advice that I can give you year by year is always check on technology stocks. That's the one beating the market year by year. Boy, ang laki, no? Almost twice of the total SPX 500, no? Followed by discretionary stocks. So, but of course, stock market yun, ha? Siyempre, baka sabihin mo ko, siyempre, crypto, mas malaki doon. And wala naman stock market yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, so ano naman ang tendency ng technology sector in the past 20 years, no? This is that one thing that we can prepare, okay, to sharpen our sword this coming September and October, no? In the past 20 years, okay, on the market on the next 2 months, this is probability. 55% of the chance, no, it's really gonna flat or negative from previous month. So when in August, medyo flat na yung performance, may possible decline. Especially this is Q3. Approaching Q3 siya, no? And then since October will actually trigger the Santa Claus rally na by December or the buying sentiment on the closing year. Alright, since nag-decline ng todo ang technology sector, September or part of October is really the best time to really reposition in the technology sector, no? And we're also going back to history. It's very consistent. That ang pinakamalaking decline, okay, is usually happens between September and February. Syempre, very logical kasi 3 buwan na sunod-sunod from October, November, December, January, 4 na buwan. Then, syempre, magti-take profit yung mga tao dyan after the February part, no? Yan din ang isa nating dapat tingnan. So, dapat, September, alam mo na po paano pumosisyon. That's one. Second, anong mga companies ang titingnan mo? That's two. Diba? Third, kung long-term investor ka, kung di ka trader, pero tinitrade mo siya, long-term investor ka, how can you buy them on a specific price possible that's good enough technically and fair value valuation, no? Fair value valuation. So it means September for this month is really more into being cautious. And it's give us also a signs already that this past 3 months the defensive sector is really taking place. And what is that? Utilities. Kasi during this time, utilities is the one really giving a lot of profits because it's driven, kailangan utility siya, no? Defensive stocks ang tinatawag nila. And technology stocks are usually growth stock, no? So that's why if we're gonna go back to the presentation, it's really crucial for us to really sharpen our saw this September and wait for that right opportunity to get the best value investment that we can have. So that's technology. But how about the total sentiment, like the total market in general? So if you're gonna also notice on the XPX 500, it's consistent, no? In the past 50 years, the XPX 500 really is flat or super negative by 44%. 44% in the past 50 years. So 60% possible flat or above. But if we back this on the last 5 years, 3 out of 5, the September to October is negative in terms of trend. No? And 58% of the chance October is really a starting turning point to a bullish US market by October onwards. So one thing that I really observe here first is as an investor, hindi tayo nakakita ng buy signal kahit nasa support pa yan, pwedeng mag-breakdown. Okay? Kahit nasa all-time low na yan, but the same, pwedeng mag-breakdown into more pababa. Another one is nagre-reversal na yung trend papuntang uptrend. Pwede pang ibalik yan to the retest or another support or to build more base. Because despite the sentiment, there's really a lesser chance na ituloy-tuloy niya mataas. Possible catalyst or news or good news. And last but not least, as investors, we really need to prepare first technically, like how to read basic chart, kahit man lang support and resistance that you can learn from YouTube, or invest in knowledge that you can also to check, no? First is fair valuation, how to read financial statements in the most general way. Third is how to identify really good companies. No, example, tayo dito. Give you a quiz, guys. All right, sige, give me one stock. Bigyan ko kayo ng quiz. Bigyan ako isang stock on the chat box. Sasabihin ko sa inyo if good company ba siya o hindi. Long term. Di ba? Sige, go. Bigyan ko kayo isang example. Yan, maganda yan. On the chat box, give me one stock. Example, long term ka or iti-trade mo lang. So, example. Sige. Ano tayo? Ito na lang. Ibigyan nyo kayo isang stock on the chat. Airbnb. Sige. Good yan, Airbnb. Thank you, Joel. Check natin dyan. Airbnb. Check natin si Airbnb. Airbnb. I-utilize natin Airbnb, Okay, sa lahat. Ganun muna tayo on the chat box. Let's be... So, buy points si Airbnb based on technicals. But fundamentally, let's check, no? Let's check fundamentally. Fundamentally, it's market cap of 98 and a consumer discretionary sector. No, it's consumer discretionary siya. But the question is Airbnb fundamentally stable and good? Like example, part ba siya ng top 10% na pwede mong i-hold forever? Yun ang tanong doon, no? Airbnb, in terms of valuation, is expensive at the current price. That's one, ha? Expensive. The valuation of Airbnb, okay, kahit na may buy signal siya today, is $90. Yan. So it means to say the current price na despite may reversal, kahit may sentiment siya na reversal, it's still 42% expensive. No, expensive siya ng 42%. Second, is Airbnb top of the 10% companies na like you can really set and forget and hold it long term? In terms of tinatawag nilang economic moat, hindi. Di ba? Hindi siya kasama. So, is it long-term investment? Pwede. if you get it below 90. Long-term investment. Pwede. Example, nakuha mo siya below 90, pwede mo siya i-long-term kasi nakuha mo siya discounted price. Hindi na nga sa top 10% ng company sa dapat mong i-hold, mahal mo pa siya kukunin ngayon. Is it tradable? Technically, yes. Diba? Pwede pa siyang ingat ng 37% short term of 13%. Okay, let's give you another exercise. Sabi ni Marian, INPX. Okay, sige natin si INPX. INPX is a technology service, information technology service, no? With a total market cap of $113 million. Question. Okay, long-term stable ba si INPX? Okay, tingin nyo, yes or no? INPX. Then I'll give you answer. Yan. So, ang parameters mo dyan, ito. Economic moat. Yan. Long term, pwede mo ba siyang as long term? Wala siyang walang reading. Iba na lang, iba. Ayan. Yan. Yes or no? For INPX, meron ba siya niyan? For long-term investing? Yes or no? Di ba? Sige, anong sagot nyo? Diba? Yan yung sinabi dyan, no? Anong sagot nyo dito, INPX? Tingin nyo ba pang long-term investment si INPX na pwede mong kalimutan na sobrang gandang kumpanya niya para malaman mo na okay siya? Sige, bigyan nyo. Yes or no? Tingin nyo. Hula lang, hula. Yan. Tayo natin yung answers ng chat box. Tingin nyo. It's 10:23. Malapit na. No, di ba? No. So, kung no, ano natin na no, di ba? Una, speculative, definitely, di ba? A lot of you said speculative. So, at least alam nyo. Una, sa market cap pa lang, nakikita natin na hindi. Di ba? Tradable ba siya? Pwede. Di ba? Pwede. So, in terms of like yung valuation ni siya, it's 31% discount because it's actually 103. Ande, tapos na pala to. Okay, fair value is 1.50. 1.05. Dito. Ito, sorry yan. 1.0. So, fairly priced siya. 1.03 ang price niya. So, hindi pa siya discounted. Fairly priced pa siya. Kung iti-trade mo to, position trade ka lang, pero more into speculative. So, by September, kukuha ka ba nito for long term pag bumagsak ng kahit technology siya? Hindi, di ba? I-trade mo ba siya? Pwede, kasi nagbe-build siya ng base. On the right parameters. Diba? So, yun yung mga kailangan i-consider mo. Depende na, of course, to your profile. No? Dapat first, alam mo anong company. Second, alam mo anong gagawin mo sa kanya. Third, paano mo siya abangan at paano mo siya bibilin. And last but not the least, paano mo siya ibibenta. Kasi minsan, katulad ni GSAT, okay, si GSAT, binigyan ka ng 70% on the opening, tuwan-tuwa ka pero hindi mo binenta. Kasi sabi mo malayo pa yung resistance. That's also one that we need to consider. How can we sell? How do you know to sell? Like, is it really about the feeling na is it really about the feeling na when you're happy, sell? Kung binili mo siya dito pa lang, dito, example, binili mo siya ngayon. Example, bumili ka ng Apple. Napakagandang kumpanya, di ba? No? Bumili ka ng Apple. Sabi mo, ang selling mo kay Apple is when you're happy. Binili mo si Apple dito. 2% gain ka pa lang. Syempre, di ka pa happy. So, the question is, how would you know when to sell? If you don't have first, fair value computation, technical skills, or proper mindset or psychology training. Diba? So if you want to sustain in the market and really beat the market year by year, kailangan mo talagang aralin at i-investan niya ng knowledge. So, last but not the least, if I'm gonna go back here on September, it's really not to be aggressive. It's really more into getting the right opportunity with the proper skill set na ready ka dapat. Kasi ito yung time na talagang magbo-bull market eh. Magpo-push yung market on a higher grounds, on a higher on a higher chance and a higher percentage na probability. So the question is, prepared ka pa? Anong kukunin mo? Anong plano mo? No? So kung trading, pwede rin naman. Pwede rin. Alright. So I hope may natutunan kayo today for that. Medyo pahapyaw lang yun kasi marami yun sa masterclass eh. Okay, next tayo. Frog. Kaya, kasi pala, topic pala namin sa masterclass guys will be about long-term investing. So, long-term investing, part 1. So, ano ba ang US market part? Like example, ano ba ang statistics ng US market? Like kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, that's only 1%. So, ano ba ang sinasabi ni market every 2 years, every 5 years? Kailan ba ang bear market? Bakit ba nagkaka-bear market? Bakit ba nagkaka-bull market? Anong statistically significance niya? Saan siya nanggaling? So, hindi lang siya because above siya more than 20% bull market na. That's basic definition, no, ng bull market. Pero the point is how the bull market is occurring, no? Example, ang basic definition sa YouTube is pag umangat ang market from the bottom 20%, we are in the bull market. Vice versa, pag bumagsak siya 20% from the peak, that's a bear market. Anything in between is just a correction. But the point is, why is this occurring? Syempre, sabi mo sa akin, syempre, pag bumibili investor, pag nag-high risk yung investor, yes, pero bakit sila nag-i-invest? Anong meron sa forecasting nila sa economy ng US? Bakit sila confident to invest na nagtitrigger ang bull market? 'Di ba? What is that? Ano yung triggering point na yun on the basic economic shell ng stock market? And din yung pag-aaralan namin this Saturday on the masterclass. So that's one. History. History, debt cycle, yung mga yan ang pag-aaralan namin. So that's long-term investing. Kasi nitindihan natin how to also check the economy of US market based on certain signs and symptoms like inflation and all those stuff, no? Di lang technicals. Okay, let's go back. Sana may matutunan kayo and join the masterclass. Dami pa niyan. 2 months is short. Let's go to Frog. Frog is more into retest pa. Wala to si Frog. No, retest mode pa to si Frog. Wala pa. Going sideways and possible correction. Possible pa to siya. So, hindi natin bibilin yan. NMDM is a showing potential. Okay, but hindi pa ako satisfied sa inaangat niya. So, when it comes to technical perspective ni NMDM, though it's showing like a reversal already on this aspect and a crossover moving average, most likely iangat niya, ibalik pa niya dito, doon tayo kukuha. Or ibalik niya dito, tapos dito tayo kukuha. So, dalawang perspective ang gagawin natin. Pero, it's showing good signs na. So, dalawa yan. It's either dyan, tas bilik dito. Before siya umangat, kuha tayo. Bumagsak siya dito. Before siya umangat, kuha tayo. Ang hindi lang natin gusto mangyari dito, kung magkaroon ng good sentiment because of the current status, is mag-gap up. Okay? Kung medyo kinakabahan ka sa gap up, you can test buy ngayon. Pero for me, mas personal opinion ko, mas likelihood na babalik siya muna dito before niya iangat. Tingnan muna natin, no, for that. Kasi wala pa siyang binubuong. Ayan. Kita nyo? Ayan. Doon tayo kukuha for NMDM. Meron ako niyan eh. Kaya minomonitor ko na lang. Okay. Alright. So, let's check natin. May mga nakuha natin na in the past few days. ACB, okay pa rin naman. Alibaba, it's doing so fine. Super good, Nag-green na si LMNN and BB. Ano nangyari kay BB? Check natin si BB. Okay, so far, okay, trailing naman. Basta hindi mag-close lang siya above that red bar. We're still good at blackberry. BA, Boeing. Boeing Company. Boeing Company is also on a lower channel. Pwedeng i-test buy ngayon. Okay? Fair value, bigyan ka fair value ni Boeing. Long term, Boeing is a long-term company. Okay? Economic mode-wise, walang competition. So, long term, pwede mo talagang i-hold yan. Especially when the market, like example, yung nangyari kay Afghanistan, or mag-open ng mga airlines, like mga flight, ano na, this will really boom. No? On the current, ano niya, in terms of valuation is now trading at the fair value ng ano niya, valuation. So meaning hindi na siya discounted, so dadaanin mo na to sa technicals. So technical speaking, pwede siya i-test buy. Technical speaking, test buy. Okay, pwede siya i-test buy. Pero if you wanna go micro, pintay mo na lang ulit dito sa baba. O, sa current niya ngayon, medyo resistance kasi. Pero on a larger trend, nasa support channel siya. Ayan, o, nasa babang baba. O, larger trend. Yan, for BBA. So, yan. Dalawa lang yan. It's either hintayin mo pa siya short term, bababa pa konti, or long term perspective ka na nasa lower area na siya ng trend, which is good, no? For BA. All right. So, it's 10:32. Let me just give you some updates. Let's check our naman EA trading natin. By the way, guys, would like to also give you also updates that XM, if you want to diversify in the Forex market, XM is offering now a 100% bonus. So if you're gonna deposit a $100, it will turn $200 on a si XM bibigay sa'yo ng credit na tinatawag nila. Up to $500, it means if mag-deposit ka ng $500, bibigyan ka na XM ng $500 na capital na libre. So, ito yung ano natin, guys. Patakita ko sa inyo ang ating poster dito. So, this is really maganda siya for Izanagi. Pakita ko sa inyo sa Izanagi. Yan. Ito. Download natin to, guys. So, yan. So, if may mga wala pang accounts na gustong mag-diversify to the Forex na wala, at least meron kayong community together with us, you can be, ano siya, you can actually, basta hindi swap free hindi swap free na account. So this is well also limited this September only until September 31. Any deposit, old clients, new clients, there's a link here on the video. You can deposit. Maki-credit siya automatic up to $500. So meaning, if you're going to put an account and then put a $500, it will turn $1,000 in terms of credit. Pwede pa yan pag-open sa Izanagi. Honestly, this is the best for Izanagi. Why? Izanagi kasi is really more into dapat mas malaki yung buffer mo or mas malaki yung account mo. And since it's a cost averaging, it needs a allowance in a port and at the same time buffering. So pwede siya for Izanagi. So at least if you start at 200, it's either you go high risk or buffer mo na 100% yung ano niya. So at least kung magkaroon ng mga spikes sa forex market, hindi ka masyadong affected, no? Hindi ka masyadong affected kasi malaki yung capital mo and credit mo na remaining because of the promo, no? Hindi ka masyadong affected. Let me show you yung ano natin, Izanagi port. Okay, check natin. My current Izanagi ko is 155%. Currently, si Izanagi, medyo may mga open trades pa to, nasa drawdown pa siya. Pero definitely, 155% na siya. Starting, yan. So, if you want to also to do high risk trading, ito siya. Pero at least, fully automated. Automated na kasi siya eh. Dahil, if you're gonna ride this one, this is fully automated already here. Set and forget na talaga siya. Let's go back to Izanagi. So, ito yung statistic ni Izanagi. Tayo natin dito. Yan. So, in the past 2 months, it made 90%. So far, it's almost 1% gain. September 1, so far siya. So, ito yung mga performance niyan. Medyo iniba natin yung settings kasi nung July. So medyo hindi yung sakto lang yung gains niya nung first part of the year. Pero after we change a bit of the settings, it really boosts the robot to perform well. Also, of course, in a high risk settings pa din, no? Also, yung mga clients natin na same, already 40% up in the past 2 months. So this is started nung July. Okay, July to nag-start. Then September ngayon. So I started with 250, then meron siyang credit. So naging 500. Hindi pala 500. Nagdagdag ako ng 250. So ngayon nasa $585 na siya with the gain of $87 since July 9 on a micro. So ito yung katulad ng mga ano natin that could give you 20% profit forecast, 15 to 20% profit on set and forget. So ito yung monthly at analytics. Last month it gained 13%. This last 23%, July 13%, last month 23%. So if you want to learn more about this, go to wiseinvestorsph.com and click EH, click Forex Robot, or just click any of the links below. Dadaling ka niyan sa site, no? And also check din natin yung itong trend follower natin, guys. It's optimized with the premium trade calls. So the trade calls is up still by 97% win rate. So meaning out of 100 trades, still 97 of those trades is in profit, no? Very statistics ang pinapakita natin. Statistical ang measurement natin dyan. If depositing for a new additional account for currency natin, pwede. Bali, itong 100% buffer and the 100% na credit, guys, any na i-deposit mo, dadagdagan niya. Hindi yung fund transfer, ha? Yung internal transfer, hindi siya kasama. If magde-deposit ka ng bagong pera in your account. So, up to $500, as long as it's standard and micro, bibigyan ka ng 100% bonus. And transferable yung credit na yan to your account. Basta hindi pwede sa swap-free account. Hindi mata-transfer ang credit. Okay? So, you can check that out. As long as you have an account already, under Wise Investors PH, there's a link there you can open. Try yourself. 100% bonus for you. And free na yung mga robot natin for you and the community as well to join with. So, depende na lang anong gagamitin mo. And now, for Valkyrie. Valkyrie is a long-term investing naman natin. Valkyrie is really optimized for 15 years of backtesting and long-term siya. Medyo boring siya on the short-term kasi once a day lang siya nagtitrade tapos 3 a.m. in the morning pa. So far, 15% risk ko is boring din yung performance. But ang gumaganda sa kanya is really the compounding growth. So, kung lumalaki din yung malaki din yung gains mo, nilalakihan din yung exposure automatically. No, automatically siya. And this is my mode 1 also. 50% risk. So, it made already $251 with my $4,000 account. So, a 6% gain. So, once a day lang kasi ito nagtitrade. Hindi ka to the Izanagi. Very, very active. Pero mas high risk, no? Yan. So, very high risk. So, this is optimized by 15 years of backtesting data. Let me just show you one data na pwedeng i-share ni Valkyrie. So, this is the presentation for Valkyrie, no? One thing that you can actually, the past 5 years na nagkaroon tayo ng backtesting, example, ang ni-risk natin, example, naglagay tayo ng mode 2, 50% risk, ito. Yan. At 99% accurate data. In the past 5 years, including 2020, sorry, ito. Yan. Naglagay tayo ng $500, okay? After 5 years, it turned to $417,000 in profit. Yan yung backtesting ni Valkyrie. So that's how the magic of auto compounding works, no? Tingnan natin dito. Yan. Yan, oh. So initial deposit of $500, pero $1,000 ang recommended natin dito. So since may auto compounding siya, the 50% risk, it made really siya. But the maximum drawdown as well is also 50%. So nagkaroon din siya ng 50% drawdown, but it recovered, no? And kung gusto mo naman i-lower ang risk, like example, you want to lower the risk by 25%. It's still big profit. A $1,000 account with 25% risk turned after 5 years into $28,000 on its own. So, meaning $1,000, then pinabayaan mo lang siya in the next 5 years. Kasi backtesting to 2020, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015. So, after those 5 years, pinaran lang natin si robot, it made really money a lot. No? 28, naging 2 million, naging 1 point something million siya, yung 50,000. No? So, dire-diretso na siya on its own. Hindi ka pa nagdagdag niya na. Diba? Ito yung crazy. Yung $500 mo, nag-trade siya dire-diretso in the past 5 years. Crazy yung gains. No? Sir, for beginners EA Robot and Forex, what is your recommended package? Okay. Let me show you here. Depende sa personality mo. The reason why we have a portfolio, it's because it can suited depending on your personality. Una, if you really wanted to learn trading manually for Forex, natutulungan ka na may daily gains ka, you can often trend follower. Kasi it's set by 80%, si EA na bahala mag-open, you can manually close the EA if gain na siya. Para alam mo rin paano patakbuhin yung app, no? And also, paano ka mag-enter ng trade, paano ka mag-enter ng lot size, kasi different siya from eToro eh. So, ang gagawin natin, bibigyan ka namin ng trade calls almost every day na 90% win rate. So, free siya, pati yung trade calls. All you just need to do is to pay for the first 2 months of VPS para automatic siya na-trade. Then, that's it. If you wanted to unlock your interest in Forex. But, if you just wanted to invest and set and forget kasi masyado kang busy sa eToro or PSE, depende rin kung long-term investor ka or high-risk trader ka. For high-risk traders, Izanagi is for you. Kasi it can wipe your account instantly, but it can also give you 20% to 50% a month gains. So far, di ba naman na-wipe yung account ko dahil sa settings naman ni Izanagi, no? So far, never naman siya na wipe so far. Wag naman sana, cross fingers, no? No, so far since high risk siya, high risk gains kasi look at the drawdown. My account drawdown, bumagsak yung account ng 50% drop. So meaning if I put $1,000, bumagsak ng $500. Almost $500. But since very high risk and high gain siya, now it's 155% gain. If you can tolerate that risk, then Izanagi for you. But if you wanted to just do long term, okay, dagdag lang ako every month, $100 or $200 monthly. Valkyrie is for you. Oh, long term lang. Diversification lang. So it's really suited kung anong gusto mong unahin. But since it's a portfolio, better it's complete. Yan ang ino-offer. So syempre, if you want to start, okay, I really suggest din na trend follower and Izanagi combination. Kasi si Valkyrie may bayad. Yung dalawa kasi libre. Now, if magkaroon ka ng gains or magkaroon ka ng extra money, then you go for Valkyrie after. Yan. But kasi nga libre nga si trend follower si Izanagi, then yung libre unahin mo, di ba? Mag-open ka lang account, may 100% bonus ka pa. Na capital from XM. So I hope that answers, Jerome, your question. Yan. If you want to learn more, read into that, may video dito sa website natin. Just check it out. Na-explain niyang lahat. Ano yung mga stock na yan, ano yung mga yan. I-check that out. And ano yung mga how to create an account. May mga videos din yan. Last but not the least. Okay, type number 1, if you're not part of the masterclass, if you're not part of the elite group pa, or you're not even part of any messenger, type number 1. Kasi I have something for you. Okay, type number 1 para meron na tayo. So, this is free, guys, ah. So, this is free. Yan, Albert, thank you. Welcome. Okay. This month, ipopost namin to on my page. Please do follow my page because we have something to really wanted to connect with you. Okay, also to like a change of information. The Elite Club is really to give you an advanced information in terms of market forecasting in the US market, no? So, and also, it's a community for US market traders, NFT traders, Forex traders, na ilalagay na natin lahat dyan. What we're gonna do is things, no? Sa Elite Club kasi, meron subscription fee. Ano makikita mo sa subscription fee? Trade calls every day for eToro stocks. 90% win rate yung trade calls. That's one. Second is forecasting analysis or reports, just this. Third is stocks na pwede nyong ibilin on a statistical analysis every month. Yun ang subscription. Pero kung gusto niyo ng libre, guys, we have something for you, no? What we're gonna do, guys, okay, we were gonna create a small group session via Discord. The via Discord is the community of my mga graduates or mga coaches namin will form small group sessions. It's formed by public members or elite subscribers to give you topic that you can learn from the US market with my research coming down from you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a monthly series. Example, ang magiging monthly series natin this September is about US market statistical history. Yan. Tapos may magli-lead, magde-discuss. So, if may alam ka, mas better i-share mo din. Tapos may mga question doon and all those stuff on the Discord channel. So wait for that. I'm we wanted to connect with you as well. It's also pagkaroon din tayo ng personal connection together when it comes to investing. Kasi syempre, the more bigger we have, the more bigger we are, the fun, no? The warmth or mas magtutulungan tayo in terms of your mga insights na meron kang alam. But syempre, i-research team na yan ni Wise Investors PH, then i-discuss nyo na lang through our Discord channel. So magkakaroon tayo ng Discord channel for subscribers and public elite members. And then doon, lahat iko-kompleto na natin yan based on PSE, eToro US market, crypto market, lahat yan ibubuin natin. Both public and elite subscribers. So yun nga lang, may mga premium lang talaga si elite subscribers personally na they can really just spoon-fed the information na kailangan nilang bilhin. So example, ano ba mga information na ibigay ko recently? Yung pinapost ko about NatGas. Yan, minsan nasa Elite Club yan. Or, example, sasabihin ko dito na, okay, bilhin natin to mag-imbak na tayo kay ganito ganyan. Kasi ito yung statistical analysis in the past 20 years. Sige, tapos ibenta natin at this date, at this price. Definitely, yun siya. So that's why majority of the masterclass, they know how to technically also. And also, they also know how to what stock to buy. Kasi it is spoon-fed already based on research ni Wise Investors PH. And that's our ano kasi, that's our kumbaga our signature, research-based. Okay, yeah, no? And the information will be so expensive kung ikaw mismo ang bibili niyan. Research-wise, mga tools na ginagamit namin, collaborative effort na yan ng subscribers. No? So, marami yan. Elite Club structure, ito yan, guys. So, kung subscriber ka, ito lahat ng benefits mo. Kung hindi ka subscriber, ito, syempre ito. No, you get to commune with the mga tao, no? Like example, "Oy, sir, what do you think?" Ito, at least meron kang makakasalamuha. So, abangan nyo yan. Ipopost namin yung Discord channel. Sali kayo doon. Magkwentuhan tayo doon on different channels natin. Very soon, very soon. Within next week, no? So that's it. So yan, excited if you're excited, pa-type naman ako ng number 8 on the chat box, no? Yan ang mga isa natin binubuo for you guys for the Elite Club natin. So if you want to let you see what's the Elite Club, ano itsura ng Elite Club, let me just show you the Facebook group. Yan. Thank you, Rigel. Yan. Okay, this is the current Elite group natin, guys, no? The current Elite group have a premium watch list stocks and mga stuff that you can actually enjoy like trade calls. So example, trade calls. So bibili mo yan siya if at the specific order. Pag tinamaan siya, then you have 90% win rate already. So ito yung laman ng trade calls natin. Also, Bitcoin, research-based, frequent gainers August. Nasa ano na yan, nasa Google Drive. Aside sa chat group namin Trade calls yan. Trade calls, daily, no? Kita nyo? Ayan, mga research base, monthly report. Ito, monthly report July. So, I'm doing the report already. Hindi lang ako nag-trading, but naglalagay tayo ng mga possible tingnan on a report. And also, yan, katulad dito, ano? Watchlist natin dito. So, meron dyan. So, may mga watchlist tayo for the month of July na may specific na siya na bibilin mo. Example, let me open this one. Lagay ko lang ng green. Bigyan ko ng bonus ulit. Ito yung laman, no? This is July. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Oops. Ayan. Ito. Okay. Example lang, guys, no? Dito yung itsura niyan. So, if you buy GME, okay, nung July 4, and then wala pa siya September, you have a target of 14%. July to na-report. So, this is posted July, no? July, no? Meron din August, may September. So, ito yung watchlist natin and sell date. No? May sell date and buy date. Specific buy date na yun, or within those buy range. Kung babalik natin sa chart, tinamaan ba niya ang watchlist natin? Let's test that out, no? Ano yung chart ko? This one. Yan. Tinamaan ba natin from July? This is July 14, no? Ito. Wala ka sa 14% pero nasa 44% ka na ngayon. Kasi ang sell date niyan is October 18 pa. Pero target is 14% lang. Pero kung bumili ka nun sa sell date, because of statistical analysis plus technical analysis na buy date pa here, 57% ka na. Target na 14%, kuha mo na. Ilang araw lang. Ito pa lang, kuha mo na. 14% lang. Pero kung naka-hold ka, since October 14 pa yung sell date niyan, October 14 is here, 57% ka na. That's only one. Yan ang premium na Elite Club. Another one, let's test that out. Bidu. July 7, November 8. Sell date pa niya. Tingnan natin kung tinamaan na niya. Or Bidu. Hanap tayo malaking gain. Apple. Buy date of July to nilagay. 26, October 30 sell date. Tingnan natin. Okay, tingnan natin. Kailan yun? July 26. Okay. July 26 is here. Yon. Okay, current date. Wala ka pa sa target pero almost 8% gain ka na. Target is 11%. So wala pa. October 30 pa yung sell date eh. Yan, diba? So October 30, tagal pa yan. No? Dito pa. So malapit ka na sa target. So kung dito yan, tatamaan, almost gain ka na sa Apple. No? Statistical plus ano siya. O yan, isa. No, isa pa tayo, last. Para siya. Tingin tayo dito. Kahit ano na lang. QCOM. July 4 to November. Tingnan natin kung nag-8% na ba siya from July 4. July 4 is here. Yan. Ito yung lowest. July 8, 4 is here. 4%. No? Kung nakuha mo pa sa support, may technical kasi na analysis pa yan, 8% ka na. Pero kung July 4, specific date na binili, which is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here. Yan. Current price, 5% gain ka. Target is 8%, pero sell date is November pa. Highest na, before pa ibenta, kuha mo na 9% to. Kailan to? August 2. Nakuha mo na yung target. Kita nyo, pero malayo pa yung sell date to. This is the premium. So, meron pa tayong 100% win rate. 100% win rate. Saan dito? Ito. 100% statistical gain every July. So, 1 is Google. So, average return of 10% in the past 20 years. So, July 1, tingnan natin si Google. 10% target. Tingnan natin. July 1. Ayan, yung mga yan, yung elite club, di ba? Elite na elite yung presyo, pati spoon-fed information. Plus, nilagyan pa statistical analysis, wala. Masterclass graduate ka pa, wala. Wala na. Babay na talaga, no? Joke lang. Okay. July 1 is here. Yan, July 1. Kuha mo yung target, oh. July 1 to August 1, 100% ba siya? Sabi natin is, ano lang, 1 month lang, no? Sabi, 1 month, hold mo lang 1 month. O, yan, nakuha mo 8% growth. Diba? So, yan guys. So, join the Elite Club for free. Yes, you can learn. But if you're gonna join the Premium, it will be worth it. Definitely worth it. So, wait for that announcement in the next 2 months. Alright, it's 4 minutes before 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Let's have a review. Ano yung mga titingnan natin within the month and also this September. Titingnan natin si Abev. Ito, buy sa to, test buy to today. Pwede to. Check natin today is si ano ba to? 8 gates buy within the week ito. Zoom, medyo kulang pa si Zoom for me. Kaya hindi ko pa sabi ko hindi ko muna binili pero pwede tayo test buy. XLM, definitely test buy na to. ILMN, o yan. 'Di ba? Kung bumili kayo nung Monday, super gain na kayo ngayon, no? Bumili tayo Monday nito, inaalala nyo? Ayan, no? Nag-buy tayo. Green na, di ba? Chidori. Chidori ba to? Chidori slap. O tama, Chidori. Tama, bumili tayo nito sabay-sabay. XLM and AYOTA. AYOTA as well, lower time frame, kuha. Pero within the day, pwede kayong mag-test buy. Lower time frame, abangan nyo siya. Okay, that's it. If you wanted to diversify in Forex market, saktong-sakto yung 100% deposit. So with that, guys, let's make most of it, of course, by really preparing for September for the market. Invest in knowledge pays the best interest, no? Invest in your knowledge, don't chip it out because the best investment is yourself. So with that, I would like to leave that note. May the market be with you, and it's gonna be a stay safe, and may the market be with you all throughout the week. So this is John and Wise Investors PH. Thank you so much for joining. See you again this Friday for another episode of our live trading. So, ang aking account is up by 10K again. Salamat. So, hopefully mag-continue to. Good luck. God bless, guys. See you on Friday. Have a nice day. Bye!
Just do it! Yes, you can!